Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Nita and I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today in this session I'm going to give you some strategies for specific questions that you may encounter in your IELTS reading. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to deal is diagram completion type of question. So in this question, some sort of diagrams will be given and then you will have to label it. Okay, so basically your task is very simple. And then the skills that you are being assessed are locating information in the passage, then relating the information from the paragraph to the diagram, then choosing the appropriate words. Many times there will be instructions that ask you to regulate the number of words that you're using. So in that case, you must be in a position to choose the appropriate words. So here that comes into play. So you have to deal that. Next one is tips. Tips means what I would like to say in this part is what are the things that you can concentrate, or what are the tricks and tips that you can use to crack this type of questions in your IELTS reading. So basically you have to identify the type of word needed for the answer, because as you see the blank and as if there is a sentence associated with that, then you can actually figure out what sort of word is going to come there, whether that's a noun or a verb, and then you can choose the word appropriately. Okay, now the next point is find the information in the passage. Okay, basically it's all about finding the right connection, finding the correct keywords. Next is the information is usually located in one specific paragraph or two in the passage. Okay. Next is check how many words you can use for the answer. That is why I told you reading the instructions is very, very crucial and important. Next one is answer do not always come in order. Okay, in this case, because especially when it is a diagram type of questions, it is not a rule that answers should come in an order. Okay, so that's it regarding the diagram completion type of questions. Sorry. And the next type of questions that I would like to deal is short answer type of questions. And here it's basically there will be a question and then you will be asked to write short answers for this, maybe 2 or 3 words. So the skills that are used in this session are locating information in the passage, then understanding detail and specific information. Okay, so the information will be given in like 2 or 3 sentences, and then you'll have to pick from that particular sentence type. Okay, next one is so the tips. What I meant by tips is that see, there is a lot of strategy when it comes to answering short answer type of questions, because basically sometimes your answer might be like too long, but then the instructions will be like strictly stick on to 2 or 3 words. So you should be in a position to write that in that particular word limit. Okay, so basically you have to identify the type of words you need for each answer. Again, you have to decide. You will know as you read the question, you will know whether you are looking for a noun or a verb. That helps you a lot. Next one is paraphrase the vocabulary in the question. See, paraphrasing is very, very important when it comes to your reading section, because if you're not able to find out the paraphrased version of a word, then you'll not be able to find out the answer. Okay, so identifying paraphrase is really, really important. Next one is scan the passage to locate the information. So basically you just can skim. Okay, basically first you have to start with skimming and then scan that particular area where the answer is going to be. Okay, next one is check how many words. Again, that's a very, very important thing. Next, answers come in the order. So in this type of questions, answers do come in the order. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video session was useful. If you feel the same, please do like and share the video. Also subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.